Hey, welcome back to our channel. So, your guests are about to leave and it's time for checkout, but wait. Are we not missing something here? Your checkout rules. Exactly, this is a very important step if you want your turnovers to run as smoothly as possible. So, let's have a look at the essential things that you want to include in your checkout instructions. Let's get started. First of all, in case you're overconfident and rely solely on your guests' good behavior, let's have a quick reminder of why you want to have your checkout instructions ready for all your bookings. First, simplify your turnover. Encouraging your guests to leave the property as they found it will make your life and the job of the person cleaning your place much easier. Second, you will avoid confusion because, believe it or not, most guests will want to know what's expected from them. And the third main reason, to promote positive reviews. Carefully optimizing the guest experience all the way through the checkout is a great way to encourage positive reviews, and you can even leave a reminder for your guests to review your property in your checkout instructions. So now let's have a look at some specific instructions that you don't want to miss. And by the way, we have a great Lodgify checkout instructions template that you can download. I'm gonna leave the link in the description of the video. First, the checkout time. This is the most important thing that you have to include in your instructions. If guests don't know this, they will most likely end up leaving your property late. Also, have in mind how long it takes to clean your property and when is your next check-in when you have back-to-back bookings. You can also explain why it's so important for them to check out on time. For example, the house cleaner arrives at noon. This way, they will understand why you're enforcing it. Next, cleaning and laundry. How much cleaning you ask your guests to do really depends on how much you're charging as a cleaning fee. If you charge a low or no fee at all, then it's reasonable to ask them to do simple tasks, like leaving the trash out or washing the dishes, or leaving the used towels by the washing machine. However, if you charge a high cleaning fee, guests will expect that most things are already taken care of for them. Next, disposing food. There's nothing worse than opening your fridge and find gross, moldy food from previous guests. So avoid this disgusting experience by asking your guests to dispose of any food they brought with them. Then, turning things off. The last thing you want is your energy bill to skyrocket because things were left on unnecessarily. So, make sure you include all the things that need to be turned off in your Airbnb checkout instructions. And for the thermostat, you can ask your guests to leave it at a specific temperature. This way you will ensure that it's not running excessively while also maintaining a comfortable temperature for the cleaners and for your upcoming guests. Then, final check for left behind items. Guests can very easily leave things behind, so a reminder to make sure they pack all of their belongings with them will make your life and theirs much easier. Then, windows and doors. Though it seems like common sense to close and lock all the windows and doors when you leave a house, you should always remind it anyway because it's so simple. It might just slip your guests' minds. Another essential mention in your Airbnb checkout instructions: what guests should do with the keys when they leave. Whether they need to leave them on the counter, deposit them on a lockbox, or hand them in person to someone of your team, never leave your guest guessing what to do with the keys. Next, don't miss the opportunity to ask your guests to leave a review. You can even include a QR code in your instructions linking to various review websites, and you can also explain them why reviews are so important to your business. And finally, share your contact information. This way they will know how to reach you if they have any questions, and this is also the perfect occasion to share your direct booking website and explain them the benefits of direct booking in case they want to repeat the experience at your place. And now let's have a look at how and where you can share all of these instructions. First, we've got Airbnb. Airbnb makes it very easy for you by automatically sending your instructions at 5 p.m. the night before checkout. But if you list your property on multiple platforms as well as in your own direct booking website, the easiest way is with a property management system. And Lodgify automation tools will allow you to set up automatic email messages that will be sent across all of these platforms. This means that there's no need to edit and update all the messages on each platform. Lodgify will minimize your workload by avoiding repetitive tasks and streamlining all of the process. And of course, you can also leave your instructions at your property. You can hang up a nice sign with your checkout instructions in a place where your guests will see it, like the kitchen or the living room. And finally, when do you want to share these instructions? Well, it's best practice to have your checkout instructions visible for your guests before they even book. To do this, you can simply add your checkout instructions to your Airbnb listing or your booking website. Then your guests will be able to access your instructions whenever they need throughout their stay. But we also recommend that you include them in your welcome book your digital guidebook, and your house rules. And for longer reservations, it's best practice to set reminders a couple of days before checkout to give your guests time to prepare. And for short one-night reservations, the night before checkout is the best. Well, this is all for today, but what about you? How do you handle your checkout instructions? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.